Oh, little Audrey saves, save for a rainy day. She saves, but every time it rains, she spends what she puts away. She knows her proverbs A to Z and knows the good they bring. But when she has to follow them, well, that's another thing. Oh, little Audrey saves, while the sun is out, make hay. Though she's not immense, there's a lot of sense in what little Audrey has to say.
Good morning, dear children. We will now recite our Mother Goose rhyme. Johnny, you recite the first stanza.
Oh, Mother Goose, when she wanted to wander, would ride through the air on a very fine gander.
Oh, Mother Goose and her nursery rhymes. What does she know about modern times? This is more like it.
To get at this boodle, I had to use my noodle. I'm a sharpie. That's why my name's Pinhead. This is why I'm white brain. This is gonna be sensational. The first crooks at Fort Knox.
Caught in the act. Crime doesn't pay.
You ain't got nothing on us. We're a couple of coin collectors. Ain't talking, see?
Audrey, recite the next line.
I ain't talking. I ain't no stool pigeon, see?
Audrey, go sit in the corner and memorize Mother Goose.
Or this icky stuff. Oh, Mother Goose and all that. Oh, puts me to sleep. Are you the real Mother Goose?
Yes, and there's Mother Gooseland. You're in for a surprise. We sing, we jive, we're quite alive. What you see will open your eyes. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where's the little boy that tends the sheep? Well, Jigme Jackson is fast asleep. When he lets out steam, then he blows his top. When he blows that horn, he can sure bebop. Wa-da-da-dee, boing, boing, treat, drop. When he lets off steam, then he blows his top. When he blows that horn, he can sure bebop.
Boy, that's a dilly.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, his hair was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, she fleeced him for his dough. Look, there's little Tommy Tucker who'll sing for his supper.
Let's get lost, lost in each other's arms. Let's get lost, let them send out alarms.
Right this way. Don't miss it, folks. It's Paramours. Yeah, it's slick. The goose what lays the golden eggs. What a chick. Let's steal the show, Bird Brain. It's a golden opportunity. Yeah. Up with the dukes. The This is a stick-up.
It's those phony, funny crooks. Oh, dear. They don't belong in here. Let me have your horn, Boy Blue.
Oh, stop thief. Oh, wait for me. Oh, wait. I'm hard-boiled. Nothing can make me crack up.
Audrey!
I met Mother Goose. Say, teacher, she's gee. She's hep to the jive. She's terrific. She's squee.
She's hep to the jive. That old Mother Goose is sure alive.